Hi, Paul recently asked on Talk Graphics. Hi everybody, I have two basic shapes that I use for a series of buttons. Name, oval shape, etc. But that's not important, that line. I like the grey bevel because it defines the outline of the shape so well, and he's talking, I think, about this one, which is his original. It was in his original web file. However, if I plane the same bevel standards to a polygon, which is here, I cannot define the outline as well. And forgetting this bit here again. Can someone help me with this? Many thanks, Paul. Okay, so here's the original pictures, two buttons he's created. What I've done is to just copy them, move them across here and remove the bezel, and I'll rebuild the bezels again. So if you look at this original bezel here, and go into the bezel tool, and you see that this one has got a round frame bezel. It's got a size of 3 pixels. It's got a contrast of 0. It's got a light angle of 360, and it's got a light elevation of 71. So what I'll do is apply that to this one, and so if I go here and I pick what type of bezel he wants, we need to go down to round frame, and then we need to go to the size 3. So if I go down here, size 3, that's fine. If I go to contrast, it's 0. If I go to light angle, it's 360. In fact, 360 is the same as 0, so I can move that one down there. Hang on a minute. Right, and then if we go to light elevation, the light elevation is 71. So if I set the light elevation to 71, enter, you can see that that one is now identical to that one. And I think what he wants to do is have the same bevel as in this one. The problem is here, if we go into this bezel, he's got a rounded bezel, so it's immediately not the same type of thing. So let's do this one, create a bezel, go to a round frame bezel, so that immediately starts to look more like what he wants. Then all we have to do is enter in the same details as here. So I'll go to size, and he's got a size of 4, I'll reduce that to 3. I'll go to contrast as 0, which is already the same. I think, yep, contrast is 0. The light angle is 360, and the light elevation should be set to 71. Now I think you'll admit that that shape and that shape have very similar or almost the same bezels, just the light angle is casting different shapes. Anyway, I hope this has helped. This is it. All the best. Goodbye.